great thing to do would be to have an event that celebrated this kind of enthusiasm over everything else.
The best builds there will be the ones that are the roughest, you know, because it tells a story too. It's not just this beautiful clean bike that looks like it's been made by a machine. When it's old and rusty and it's got weld marks and fractures and it's got dents in it, I mean, it's got history in everything. You know, it's a history in that dent and where it came from and where the rust came from. All that tells a story of this bike's life, and you've just reinvented it and turned it into something to let it breathe again.
So we just came up with the idea of it being doing the most with the least.